Hello everyone, welcome to Santoshi's Kitchen. So today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious chicken korma. I'm going to add 6 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to heat the oil on medium heat for about 30 seconds. I'm using about a cup of diced onion. I'm going to fry the onion on medium heat until it turns golden brown in color. Now you can see the onion is turning nice golden brown in color. Next we're going to add the tomatoes. 1, 2. So this is petty diced tomatoes. Now I'm going to add ginger and garlic paste. I added about 4 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. This is the ginger and garlic paste which I used. You can find it in an Indian grocery store or an Asian supermarket. Now let's start adding the spices. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of chili powder. The chili powder is a spice which gives heat, spiciness to the dish. So if you want to make it more spicy, you can add more chili powder. If you want to make it less spicy, you can add less chili powder. Let's say you like it mild, then add quarter teaspoon of chili powder. It will make it nice and mild. So 1 teaspoon is around medium to spicy. Next I'm adding turmeric powder. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of turmeric, and then coriander. I love the flavor of coriander, so I'm adding 3 teaspoons of coriander. And this is a very important spice for the chicken korma, garam masala. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of garam masala. So the garam masala is a blend of spices. It has cinnamon, cardamom, nutmeg, a lot of spices blended together. It gives the nice umami flavor to the dish. And then I'm going to add salt. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt for now. And at the end we can taste the sauce and add more salt if needed. I'm going to add half a cup of water. Now the reason I added water is we added the spice powders, right? So when you add the spice powders and then cook them in the hot sauce with the oil, if there is not enough moisture, if there is not enough water, then the spices will burn in the oil. And then when the spices burn, they turn black, and then when they turn black, it means the whole sauce is burnt. And when you start adding the rest of the ingredients like the chicken and everything, when you make the chicken korma, it's going to be bitter. So make sure that when you add the spice powders, add water to prevent the spices from burning. So we're going to cover the pan with a lid and cook on medium heat for about 5 minutes. And every few minutes we're going to open the lid, mix the contents, make sure they don't stick to the pot. And then after 5 minutes, we will keep the lid off and cook the sauce more. It's been 5 minutes. I'm going to take the lid off. Now we're going to cook the sauce with the lid off. And we want to make sure that the sauce reduces. It becomes thicker. And then now you can see the oil separating around the edges, right? So you'll start seeing more oil separating around the edges. At that stage, we're going to add the chicken. Now you can see that the sauce is reducing in volume, that is the water is evaporating as water vapor, and the sauce is becoming thicker. Now you can notice that when I scoop the sauce to one side, you can see that the oil separating around the edges. This is what we are looking for. At this stage, we are ready to add the chicken. I'm using chicken breast meat for this recipe today. This is 3 medium-sized chicken breast. I have cut the chicken breast meat into about 2-inch pieces. Now I'm going to add about half a cup of water so that there is enough moisture for the chicken to cook. I'm going to cover the pot with the lid and cook on medium heat until the chicken is cooked. Every few minutes I'm going to open the pot, make sure that the sauce is not sticking to the pot, mix the contents and then close it again. Once the chicken is fully cooked, then we will go ahead and add the coconut milk. To check if the chicken is cooked, we can use a meat thermometer. The safe cooking temperature for chicken is 165 degrees Fahrenheit or more. I'm going going to add 1 cup of coconut milk. After adding the coconut milk, we can cook for 1 more minute on medium heat and the chicken korma is done. I'm going to garnish with some fresh cilantro. Now I'm going to try the chicken korma and let you know how it tastes. It's perfect. I love the heat and the salt is just right, and I wouldn't change anything about this chicken korma. It's perfect. Hope you like it, and I really wish that you find this recipe helpful and make this delicious chicken korma at your home and enjoy it.